Saturn, the most stunning planet in the solar system, the most photogenic, rings like a celestial queen, admired, worshipped, immortalized in tattoos. You're the prom queen of the cosmos. And still, humanity ghosted you, and then hit you in the face with a flaming toaster. Because being beautiful in space is like being the smartest kid in a zombie apocalypse. It doesn't matter. Nobody cares. Welcome to your cosmic therapy session. This is why it sucks to be Saturn. You're huge. But not in the right way. You're the second largest planet in the solar system. You could fit over 760 Earths inside you. You're literally the heavyweight champ. But plot twist, you're also the lightest gas giant. In fact, if there were a bathtub big enough, you'd float in it. You're basically a giant beach ball with a god complex. Your mass is only about 95 times that of Earth, despite being 9.5 times wider. Why? Because you're made almost entirely of hydrogen and helium, aka the universe's fart gas. You're a cosmic balloon with delusions of grandeur. And speaking of your biggest flex, your rings? Total diva drama. Yes, they're iconic. Billions of icy particles orbiting in perfect disco choreography. But here's what NASA won't put on a mug. Your rings are only about 100 million years old, which, in space terms, is basically teen drama age. And worse, they're disappearing. Thanks to a phenomenon charmingly called ring rain, your icy crown is literally falling into your body. You're eating your own jewelry like a sad space Ouroboros. At this rate, your rings could be completely gone in another 100 million years. That's like your tiara evaporating mid-pageant. You're spinning yourself into a frenzy. You have the fastest rotation of all the gas giants. One day on, you last just 10.7 hours. Sounds efficient until you realize it's ripping your body apart. You're not a sphere. You're an oblate spheroid, meaning your equator bulges out like you're cosplaying. And your spin kicks up 1,800 kilometers per hour winds. Congrats. You're a bloated, spinning fart gas tornado in a state of existential panic. Basically, a weather app's panic attack. You have moons. Too many moons. Saturn has 145 confirmed moons, which sounds cool, until you realize you're running a planetary orphanage. One of them, Titan, has lakes, rivers, and rain, but instead of water, it's made of liquid methane, which makes Titan the only moon that farts and cries at the same time. And then there's Enceladus, an icy moon that sprays water into space. NASA found organic molecules in those plumes, which could mean alien life. So yeah, your kids are cool. Too cool. So cool that everyone forgets you exist. You're the washed-up actor whose kids win Oscars. You were the star. Now you're just the ride to rehearsal. You're a magnet. With issues. You do have a magnetic field. Not Jupiter level, but still respectable. But here's the thing. It's so perfectly symmetrical that scientists can't even measure your day. Usually, a planet's magnetic wobble reveals its core rotation. Yours? Too perfect. Too quiet. Too unnerving. You're the mysterious guy at the party who just stands in the corner glowing with magnetic anxiety. And nobody knows what's going on inside you. Your interior? Basically a cosmic mystery smoothie. Despite all our telescopes, probes, and equations, we still have no idea what's happening inside you. You might have a rocky core surrounded by metallic hydrogen, helium rain, and layers of existential dread. But honestly, it's a guess. Studying you is like trying to understand a blender full of jello by staring at its lid. Even the Cassini probe, which orbited you for 13 years, dove into your atmosphere and vaporized itself trying to find out. Its final message? I got nothing. You're losing helium, like a lot. Your atmosphere is literally raining helium. You're so cold, around negative 178 degrees Celsius, that helium condenses and rains down into your core, which means you are getting dimmer over time. You're like the universe's saddest birthday balloon, slowly sinking behind the couch of time. You're not the boss anymore. Once you were the king. The Babylonians worshipped you. Romans named you after the god of wealth and agriculture. You ruled the night sky. But now, you're a meme, a desktop wallpaper, a trivia question in a high school science quiz. Even James Webb Space Telescope isn't looking at you. It's busy staring at baby galaxies 13 billion light years away. You're not the main character anymore. You're the Moody X the universe quietly unfollowed. So yeah, it sucks to be Saturn. You're massive but misunderstood, gorgeous but ignored, worshipped in the past, ghosted in the future. You're a bloated gas balloon in slow existential decay, and your rings, your one pride, are disintegrating like cosmic dandruff. But hey, at least you're not Uranus, because that guy never gets taken seriously. Want more quirky cosmic therapy sessions like this one? Smash that subscribe button before Neptune starts crying, because someone's got to tell Pluto it's not even in the group chat anymore.